Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 4, that's name is Basic Geometrical Ideas, and this is our exercise 4.2. And in the previous video, we already see the exercise 4.1 solution, and this is related to our Andhra Pradesh State Board. Okay, so if you have any kinds of doubt in this chapter, in this exercise, then don't worry about it. Whatever your doubt is there, whatever your confusion is there, everything is going to be clear in this video. I teach mathematics to the weak student, and believe me, in the end of this video you will have not a single doubt in this exercise. Okay, so let's start this exercise. So in this exercise, the first question is telling tick this figure which are simple curve. Okay, we have to find out which is a simple curve figure. Okay, now simple curve figure means easily you will understand which is closed figure. Closed figure, closed figure means, let's suppose this is one wall is there, this is closed or open. Yes, this is closed. Now I'm asking you, is it closed? You will say no, this is not closed, because here you can enter. If you see anything where you can enter, that is not closed. If you enter in this area, that is not closed, that is open. If you can't enter in any side of that, this is called closed. Okay, now if I tell you this is a door is there and this door is totally locked, here this door is totally locked. So let's suppose this door is there, this door is totally locked. Will you enter in this one? No, you will not. But if you see this door is not closed, little bit it is open here, so it is lot of chances that you will enter from this side. Okay, otherwise if you see in this figure also, let's talk about this one. We have to take out which of the following are simple curve. So if you see this figure, in this figure will you enter in this inner part? This is called inner. Okay, now this is whatever in the inside of the boundary is called the interior, and outside of the boundary it is called exterior. Okay, now inside of the boundary interior, outside of the boundary exterior. Okay, now so now you can only tell me this figure is closed or not. Yes, it is closed. Which is closed? That is a simple curve figure. Which is closed? This is called simple curve. Is it totally closed? Yes, it is closed. From any side will you enter in this one? No, it is not possible. It means that this is our closed figure. It is a simple curve. You will write it is a simple. Okay, now it is a simple curve. Okay, now here in this second figure, will you enter from any side? No, you will not enter from any side. So this is also our simple curve. This is also our simple curves. Okay, now this is not a simple curve because from this side you will enter in this one. Okay, now here this is also simple curve because in this one you cannot enter in this anywhere. So this is our simple curve. This is our simple curve. Which is closed figure? Closed figure is only called a simple curve. Okay, now so this is also simple curves. Now this is simple curve? No, because from this side you will enter in this box. Okay, na? So this is not our simple curve. Okay, is it clear? So how many are simple curve? The first one is there, second one is there, and fourth one is there. Okay, is it clear? Right, so let's talk about the third question. Second question. The second question is telling here state which are the curve and open and which is closed. Okay, now in this figure we have to say that which is closed here, which is open, and which is closed. So if you see, open means like this is there, from this is gate, so this is open, and this is totally closed, and this is totally closed, and this is open. If you see here, okay, so this is a closed or open. So this is closed, no one enter in this one. Okay, here it is open here. Okay, now only you can say this is closed or not. Yes, it is closed. But if you see this figure, okay, just wait, this figure is open or closed? This is open. So here if you understand, this is closed figure, this is closed, this is also closed, this is not closed, this is not closed. Okay, these are the open. So in this one we have to find close and open. So if you see the first figure, this is open or closed, this is open. From here you can enter in this one. So it means that this is our open. So what we are going to write, this is, we will write open, we will write open. Okay, now open curves you will write, or open curves you will write, open curves. Okay, now this is closed. In this one you cannot enter from anywhere. It is totally, this figure is there now. So this is closed. So this is closed. This is closed curve. Okay, this is also closed because it is three side, it is surrounded by the three sides, so this is also closed. this is also closed, and you will write curve here. Okay na? You will write close open, otherwise if you want to write curve you will write, otherwise you will leave it like that. In this figure also, will you try to enter? No, it is not possible. So overall this is also closed figure. So this is also closed curve, or you can write curve figure also. Okay, now look at, in this one you will enter in this side, so this is open, so this is open curves. Okay, is it clear? So this is open, this is close, this is this is open, this is close, this is also close, this is also close, this is open. Okay, is it clear or not? Yes, it is clear. So then let's move to our third question. Okay, we have to say, name the point lies in the interior and the boundary of the exterior in the figure. Okay, we have to find out which is interior, which is exterior. I will say this is a room. Okay, this is a one block is there. Let's suppose another one. Okay, this is a two blocks I am here. Okay, in this block, whatever inside of this boundary, like this is a tree is there, home is there, and outside there is a one car is there. Okay, now there is a car. Okay, car is there. Okay, this is not look like car, but think this car is there, tree is there, and road is there. So what I'm asking you, whatever in this inside of the boundary, that is called interior. Inside, like your house, whatever plants you are planting, that are the interior part. Your house, after the boundary of your house, whatever it is there, like car, trees and road, these are the exterior. These are the called exterior. Interior means inside of the boundary. If you see this round circle here, inside of this circle, whatever things are there in this one, this is called the interior. This is called interior. Interior means inside of the boundary. This gold circle you are looking at, whatever inside of the circle, that are called interior. And whatever outside of the circle, if you see here outside, that is called exterior. That is called exterior. Okay na? And whatever in this one, in the line only, that is called what? This is called a boundary. Okay na? This if let's suppose a word is sitting on the boundary, this boundary wall, that is called what? Boundary. Okay na? And inside it is called interior, and outside it is called exterior. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so if it is not clear, then I will make it clear. Let's suppose this is a park. Okay, in this park children are there, and there is something they are playing or something. And outside there is a roads are there, malls are there, and here tiffin centers are there, and something garden is there. So something. So what is interior? If you see, this is our park. Inside of the park, whatever things are there, this is called interior. Outside, like road and this one and this one, these are the exterior. Okay na? Interior means inside of the boundary, exterior means outside of the boundary. And in the this boundary is there, whatever things in this boundary it is sitting, this is called boundary. Okay, right? Is it clear? So let's talk about, okay, so let's talk about what is interior, exterior in this map. So I will write it here, interior. First of all, I will write interior. Interior. What is in the interior? What is in the exterior? Okay, what is in the exterior and what is in the boundary? Okay, boundary also. Boundary. BOUNDARY. Boundary, right? Let's see. So let's suppose here you will see, this is our map of Andhra Pradesh, and in this map, this is our state boundary. Okay, this is our state boundary. Okay, let's see. In the boundary, what type of image? This is our state boundary with blue pen. What is we get in the boundary? Like C is in the boundary. C is in the boundary. Okay. Then after you are looking, this F is also in the boundary. F is also in the boundary. Okay. After that, if you see, this K is also in the boundary. K is also in the boundary. So boundary is clear. Okay. Now let's look at the interior. Interior means inside of the boundary. This boundary is looking. So whatever inside of this boundary, that is called the interior. Whatever things in boundary we written. In the boundary, C is there, F is there, K is there. We written here. After that, After that, here what is inside this boundary? What is the inside of the boundary? A is there inside of the boundary, yes. Then after B is there inside of the boundary, yes. I is there, yes. Then G is there, yes. And then after E is there, E is there. These figures are in the inside of the boundary. Okay, what is in the outside of the boundary? Okay, what we have to write? We have to write outside of the boundary. So if you see, J is the outside of the boundary. Okay, now if you look at here, okay, if I remove here, this is a boundary, right? So this figure is outside of the boundary. D is in the also out exterior. Exterior means outside of the boundary. What is there? D is also in the outside of the boundary. So this is the only our answer here. Okay, this is the only our answer. Okay, is it clear or not? Yes, it is clear. So I hope this is going to be a clear for you. Okay, is it clear? Right, so it's very simple here, nothing is hard about it. This is just a boundary. Okay, it is a boundary. Whatever inside of the boundary I written here, whatever outside this, like D is there and G is there. What is in the boundary? C is there, F is there and K is there. This is over. So the third answer is over here. So this is only called exterior, interior and boundary. Okay, is it clear? Right, so now let's talk about the fourth question. So what the fourth question is it telling here? Draw three simple closed figure by a straight line. We have to draw three simple closed figure. Okay, by a straight line. You have to use a straight line and you have to draw a closed figure. So let's do this first one. We are going to do the first one. So first, what we have to do, what we have to do, we have to take a straight line. Okay, so let's suppose this is a one straight line. I'm taking another and another. So I joined this all. This I became one closed figure I made. Okay, another closed figure. Let's see. Okay, another first one by a straight line. I take it this is a straight line. This are a straight line only, na? This is a straight line, right? This is a straight line. This is a straight line. By using that only I made here. Okay, na? So another, I'm taking the another straight line. Let's suppose one straight line, then one straight line, then one straight line, then one straight line. Okay, I made that. This is also closed figure by a straight line. Another how you can make another closed figure? You will make by using a straight line. This like this. Okay, this is also. Okay, these are the three figures which you can make by using the straight line. Okay, these are the closed figure. Okay, now let's talk a second question. By a straight line and curved line both, we have to using a straight line also and you have to use curved line also. Three figure you have to make. Which figure? Closed figure. These are the closed. Let's suppose this is a 1 1 1 and this is going to be something. Okay, this is not. Okay, we have to use a straight line also like this. Okay, just wait a minute. One straight line here, one is here. Okay, this is join. Okay, and one is here, and then we have to use the curved line also. So you can use curved line here. Okay, na? You can use like this. Okay, na? So you can do like this here also. You can make like this. Okay, it is not working, but generally it is like that only. Okay, okay, okay. So this is a one closed figure. Otherwise you can make another closed figure is like that. Take like this and like this, one V shape, and after that you can draw like this. This is ice cream figure it is. Okay, one closed figure, and by using the straight line only. And another one you can make something like that. Okay, just wait, I'm just looking at this. Okay, and now you can draw like this, something figure like this one here. Otherwise something another figure you can be draw like this. Okay, so these are the some figures you can draw by using simple. These are the closed figure only. If you see this ice cream is also closed, these are the closed figure. It is a very simple, nothing is hard about it. Okay, now everything is clear. I hope this video is going to be okay. Anything left? No, nothing is left. So I hope this exercise is going to be very helpful for you. Whatever in this exercise, everything is clear. If you have anything doubt, you can tell to me. Otherwise, if you want to be a mathematics solution, otherwise social studies or science explanation, I put that video descriptions, put that video link and whatever the playlist is there, I will put in the description. Otherwise you can go to our channel and click on the playlist and you will find out there. Otherwise you will search from that classics science explanation by South Education Academy. Okay, now you can search like that. Okay, I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you. Let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.